And welcome back to another BobBlast. Hi, I'm Bob Burridge, and this one is all about one of the most frequent questions I get. How about that hot pink opera, the Luminous Opera? Oh my God, you see this stuff in the store and you go, oh my, it's too hot. It's fantastic. Let me show you how I use it. I use it two ways, but let me show you it comes in different sizes. Let's get started. So let's address the permanence of luminous paints. I love opera. Here we go. I use it two ways. One as a tint, and one when I mix it with other colors. That's what the tech people have suggested to me. So I have no fears of it. Here's a painting, it's already dried. Sometimes I like to just mix a little of this color. Well, here we go. And use it as a tint. Look at this. Woo! Completely changes the personality of this painting. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa. I love it when it goes like that. It's a better painting, I think. Let me show you what happens when we mix it with other colors. Here I have Hansa yellow. Mix a little bit of this hot opera. Look at that color. I don't know if you can see it in this video, but it's a bright orange. It is a wonderful color. What about blue? This is what really gets me excited. When I mix Ultramarine Blue, you get that beautiful, beautiful periwinkle color. Look at that. Look at that. And a beautiful hot violet. Look at that color. So that's the advantage of using the opera, mixing it in with other colors. I want to paint bigger. Let's go. So this will be fun. I have no real strong idea what I'm doing, but it doesn't stop me from painting with opera. Yay, opera! Here we go. I've already mixed some of my opera in with this blue paint. Look at that incredible color. Right. And on my other brush, I mixed some of the opera into the yellow. Most amazing bright orange. I have some white out here. I have some titanium buff out here. My blue, solid blue, hot pink. I'm ready to go on this canvas. Stand back. It's playtime. I'm going to use some of this hot pink. Oh, look at this. Get some of this dark in here. Bring in the blue. Some blue. Now it's titanium time. Whoa! Titanium mixed in with some of this blue. Isn't this wonderful to paint? Mix some white with that pink. Whoa! It is pink. Talk about a focal point. Can't miss it. But the opera. Obviously, this is going to be the strongest color, the most dominant color. If it's going to be dominant, I'm going to put it everywhere. Don't stay in one place. Notice that my whole arm moves when I paint. Not just your little pinky fingers. It's called painting. Mix up some more white and titanium into this blue. It starts to neutralize it. Look at that. Whoa. A lot of contrast. Let's get the bigger brush. Bigger brush. Do that mixing like this. Look at that color. Whoa. Whoa. I mean, you can't lay in bed in the morning and figure out your painting, how you're going to do it. You got to get into your studio and go do it. pen drawing. It's pretty abstract, I know, but am I having fun in the studio with opera? You better believe it. So the point being, these luminous paints, when you mix them with other colors, it makes it more permanent. And the fact that I'm going to be putting a UV varnish on top of this, that kind of helps it along even more so. Pretty permanent. I've been painting for 25 years and I've never seen any of these colors fade. Hey, thanks again for watching this BobBlast. This was a fun one. I can't wait to show you my next stuff. See you on the next BobBlast. Hey, I'm Bob Burridge, and I'm dreaming about my next workshop in Puerto Vallarta in Mexico. Having this coffee early in the morning, sitting on my veranda, looking at the ocean. It's one of my favorite places to go. It's Casa de la Artiste, and you've heard me talk about this. This is a house that we go to, and we stay there, we sleep there, we eat there, we paint there, and just looking over the ocean. It's fantastic. Go to my website so you can see all the details, but remember, it's in January, so hurry up and sign up. I'll see you there.